Hello, and welcome to All4Cure. My name is Jennifer, and I am one of the medical data specialists that creates the personalized dashboards on our platform. The rest of this video will go through the quick and easy steps on how to register for our website. At All4Cure, we are creating a community of doctors, researchers, and patients. We start by having you sign Hipaa release forms for all of your institutions and gather all of your medical records in one location to create your personalized dashboard. The first step will be going to your browser and typing in www.all4cure.com, and it will take you to our homepage. To register, click the blue button in the upper right-hand corner that says Apply Now. This will take you to the first sign-up page where you can fill out your name, email, and password. This information will not be displayed on the website and will only be seen by those at the company. Once you fill this out, hit the blue button that says Sign Up, and it will bring you to another page that has more detailed information about you as a patient. It will still allow you to sign up for our website if you do not know the answer to one of these categories and have to leave it blank. Once this is filled out, scroll to the bottom and click on the blue button that says Sign Me Up, and it will take you to our homepage. You will receive an email asking you to click on a link to verify your email that we have associated with your account. Once it says Email Verified, expect to have a follow-up welcome email where you can fill out our Hipaa release forms for our use to access your medical records, and we can begin the process of creating your personalized dashboard. On the homepage, the far left column is a Next Actions column that shows your progress in the registration process. There is also a button that says Download Hipaa Release Form if you need another form for a different institution. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@all4cure.com, and we are grateful that you are joining our community.